Hi everybody, my name is Boago Okgetheng and I'm 21 years old. I'm here to show my talent, which is acting. People, please vote for me. Just go to www.gemvote.com. Then you will see me there and then vote for me. Thank you.
Let it go. How, Jakes? Remember, I lost my parents. I lost my lovely girlfriend. I lost my baby. I lost everything. Then how? Okay, now I understand your advice. You are trying to take. How, Jakes? How? You are saying you are gonna act like a brother. What are you doing now? Okay, fine. Okay, fine. Jakes, yes, I do agree with you. Then you want me to go to jail. I was not there. I was not there when she killed my baby. Yeah, I know that she was pregnant. That one I'm soft. And because I'm the one. Come on. What are you trying to say? What? Okay. No, I don't want to do anything. Your advice. Let it go. Let it go. How then how? Okay. I'll do this. Oh, I'll take the responsibilities now. Let it go. Oh, let it go. Let it go. Yes. Which means I'm going to take this action. I'm going to commit suicide right now. I'm going to commit suicide right now. Okay? Thank you.